My name is Sabrina Heartsong, and I'm an intuitive guide. In my practice, I help people overcome personal challenges, deal with their pain directly, and dissolve limiting beliefs so that they can experience a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. The path to healing is really about discovering one's true nature, who we are beyond our pain and false limitations, none of which would be possible without our willingness to forgive. Our journey always begins with acknowledging what's hurting us. Some of us might be completely unaware that we're harboring unresolved issues. We just know that we feel sad, angry, or lonely. Or some of us might be carrying around a degree of guilt or shame about our own behavior, and because of this, we don't let ourselves be happy. If we take the time to really look within ourselves, we can see that past hurts and current frustrations can crowd our thoughts and close our hearts. When we become willing to forgive ourselves and the people in our lives, we're taking a very important step towards healing. We're starting to let go of everything that doesn't serve us, moving towards a state of emotional freedom and building a solid foundation for sustainable inner peace. Forgiveness is not about condoning or allowing ourselves to be treated less than lovingly. It's simply about taking responsibility for our own happiness, rising above the pain that doesn't need to define us, and choosing to be at peace with all of it. By learning to let go, we start to chip away at the barriers that we've built up within ourselves, and we begin to experience the essence of who we are. It becomes possible for us to tap into a profound love for ourselves and for others. When we are free to love and be loved, our hearts are wide open and our perception of the world becomes more benign. In love, we can start to express ourselves without fear. We can shape our future with faith and courage and ultimately become the person that we've always wanted to be. It is through my own journey to love that I created this category for you. So I invite you to look through these affirmations with an open mind and some self-honesty and choose the ones that resonate for you. If you don't feel quite ready to forgive yet, you can simply use the word willingness and insert it at the beginning of any of these statements and give it time. Your own willingness will open the way for you. With continued practice, every day, with commitment, you will find that you can change your whole life by simply choosing love. Good luck with your practice, and may you find peace.